Frustrated South Africans are protesting against the injustice of rolling blackouts. A group of protesters marched to the union buildings in Pretoria to vent their frustration over rolling blackouts, hoping to ignite the fire for other South Africans to call the government to account. They're voicing their anger over the recent National Energy Regulator of South Africa, which is Nersa, approving the electricity tariff hike. It is an 18.65% price hike. That is a lot. Like, especially for middle to lower income family household, how do they survive? Like, it's not right. Like, that's a huge jump. At least, 2-3%, even that is a huge hike, but 18% is a lot. And when they asked the government, and Ramaphosa, the president of South Africa, said, "My hands are tied and there's not much I can do about it." That's what he said. But after people protested and expressed how they feel on social media, now sounds like Ramaphosa's tone has changed a little bit, because he was asking the organization to not hike the price.
Well, what you see here is the protest march really to the offices of energy regulator Nersa, and then proceed to the union buildings where a memorandum of demands will then be handed over. And now you know that some of the issues, and one of the biggest issues that they are actually protesting against, is rolling blackouts. You understand that the country has been on various stages of load shedding, really interchanging between stage 5 as well as stage 6.
Even in the first place, he should have never said, "My hands are tied." As the president, as the leader of that country, you have power. You're the most powerful man in that country. So, that's what he said initially, but he changed his mind. But now what matters is the people, and the people are not happy, and the people are frankly suffering. So this needs to change, and the government is there to serve the people. So serve your people. Make sure that the people pay the price that they have used. Don't let a family suffer because of corporations wanting to make more money. It's just not fair. Anyways, fam, let us know down below what your thoughts are about this. I am Wongel Zelalem. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.